Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to use the Equalizer on your PlayStation 5 Pulse 3D headset. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So you can have custom audio profiles with the Pulse 3D headset on the PlayStation 5 using an Equalizer. Now this is actually really easy to set up. So my headset is powered on and connected to my PlayStation 5. Now simply press the PlayStation button and open up the quick menu, and then go on over to sound and select this. Now make sure your USB headset is selected at the top. Now if you go to HDMI device and you look under where it says output device, it says EQ presets. So if I switch over to the TV, it'll go to speaker. So you have to have your headset selected, otherwise this option simply won't appear. Then you can go to the Equalizer presets right here and select this with X. And the top is standard, bass boost, shooter, and then you have 3 custom audio profiles you can go ahead and mix and match. So under standard, it's just normal. And then if I go to the bass boost mode, this is what it looks like for bass, low, mids, highs, and treble. Then you can press the square button and listen to the audio profile or the preview. So if I press this, we can hear a bunch of footsteps in the background. And we can customize everything on the screen if we really want to. So that's the bass boost. Then we can switch over to the shooter mode right here. And we can just compare them and listen to the footsteps, the shooting, etc. So if we're going to be playing Call of Duty or Warzone, this is a great example of how it would be. So I'm just looking at the mids, highs, and treble, and then it seems like they lowered the bass for the shooter. So let's go over to audio mode 1 and just make a custom one. So we can rename this. Let's go to Warzone right now, and I'm just going to let the footsteps play out in the background, and then we're going to customize this one. So let's go to Warzone and type this in and press R2 and done. And now that will be my custom Warzone Equalizer profile. So let's go to this and let's lower the bass maybe 2 decibels. Keep the lows there and then just do the shooter one, but make it a little bit more extreme. So let's go up to maybe 4 and then do the same thing for highs and bring up the treble 2 to maybe about 3. So this could be a good profile maybe for Warzone based off of just looking at the shooter one and then just taking up a notch. We could even go a little bit more and just bring the mids higher, treble, and then keep the treble right about there at 4. Maybe something like that. So you can customize this in your headset, go to different games, and just try it out for yourself. Then you can always reset this to default if you want. So I think this is a good option right here. Let's press square now. So that is the Equalizer, and that is how you would go ahead and use it on the PlayStation 5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. And make sure to subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.